backing a rowdy 383 with a roster of top-notch equipment that makes it safe, appealing, and practical. This 55 Chevy is real serious about fulfilling its big promises. And the best part? Even with its show-stopping aesthetics, you can hop in the car and easily parade it up and down Main Street. When you set your sights on creating something legit and truly unique, you just can't go wrong starting with vintage American steel. Stripped all the way to bare metal during a detailed frame-on restoration, this Chevy really began to hit its stride in the summer of 2015. With the help of a $230,000 construction build, the car was transformed from a cool classic into a national headliner. And a big reason for that headlining status is a smooth profile that was bathed in Aston Martin bronze and Ford French vanilla. Inside, you'll find $16,000 worth of custom Dynamat lined upholstery that was installed by Chuck Hanna. At ground level, 8 yards of German square weave carpet balances a small console between piped and color-keyed floor mats. A matte dash wraps bowtie branded stainless around vintage air conditioning, modern audio, modern cruise control, and a full array of classic instruments gauges. And the driver spins an ornate steering wheel on a tilting column. This wagon is powered by 383 cubic inches of stout small block that was sourced directly from Blueprint engines. Dyno proven to 430 horsepower, it sends 455 pound-feet of torque through a 4L60E and a factory tri-5 axle. This Chevy has the potential to pull down serious trophies and can politely cruise to the house 30 minutes later. And with top-notch craftsmanship and a roster of first-class components, it's poised to impress in either of those realms. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.